This is Gaston with Guarantee RV. Thank you for taking the time today to look at our inventory. Today we'll be going over the Arctic Fox 32 5M. As you can see on the outside, you have a large basement, nice storage, for you to be able to carry a lot of, equipment for your travels. As you walk into the Arctic Fox, on the left-hand side, one thing you're going to notice is that they have recliners in the back with the sofa in the slide out, as well as your kitchen and your refrigerator as well. One of the nice things about this layout is that it allows you to face the entertainment area, where you see that you have a nice fireplace, a TV, allowing you to just enjoy, your hanging out time and, watch a movie or watch a show or watch any sporting event while you're out, having fun, traveling. You also have a nice island right here, giving you a lot of space to cut up, any vegetables, food, anything that you're looking to, cook, with a nice burner, oven and stovetop. When they went ahead and built this, they thought about every little thing. As you can see, the sink is a double sink. It's out of the way, so if you're gonna be washing any dishes, washing your vegetables, you won't be in the way if somebody's gonna be cutting and or cooking at the same time. Okay, as you can see, the refrigerator is nice and large. So if gonna be traveling, staying extended times, you could fill that in and, just make one trip to the grocery store and you're good to go. If you walk up here to the room, on the left-hand side, the first thing you're gonna see is you have your panel, your buttons for, your solar panel. And then right next to that, there's the bathroom. And as you walk in, you can see that it has a nice size shower, a nice setup for the toilet. Once you come out, you go into the room. You have a nice setup, for your bed. Okay, lots of space to get around the bed to get in and out. Okay, and then you also have your nice closet with a lot of space. You got a mirror right there, so if people are going to be getting ready in the restroom, maybe showering, you can still be getting ready, in your room. And there's a lot of space. Beautiful coach. Comes equipped with a skylight. Also comes equipped with a fan. And then a nice setup of lighting. So you have nice lighting all throughout the coach. So beautiful option. As you can see, lots of storage. Thank you for taking the time today. Once again, this is Gaston here at Guarantee RV. If you have any questions and you want to learn more about this unit or any other unit that we have to offer, please reach out to me. Phone number is 541-810-2202.